Hey, what's up, guys? We're back. So, in this article, we're going to talk about Kodi. For those of you that are unaware what Kodi is the media platform that allows you to enable third party apps, usually through open source. And it basically you can use IPTV, other media streaming services, and programs that can be enabled using the Kodi platform. So the article is discussing how there was a data breach using their online forum. I'm going to touch over some of this article here. Of course, I will leave the link for you in the description so you can read along, share with family and friends, and we'll keep it moving. So let's get into it. So the article is saying the Kodi Foundation has disclosed a data breach after hackers stole the organization's MyBB forum database containing user data and private messages and attempted to sell it online. So my guess is they're looking to sell the information on a dark web, like pretty much what every other, hacked website is doing at this point and been doing for years. So now they're saying that the shutdown Kodi forum has roughly 401,000 members who used it to discuss media streaming, exchange tips, offer support, share new add-ons, and more in 3 million posts. So a lot of people on there, a lot of information that was potentially compromised, right? So according to an announcement published by the platform on Saturday, hackers stole the forum database by logging into the admin console using it as an inactive staff member's credentials. So they were able to get a previous staff member's credentials, and then get access to everything. So it says once they gained access to the admin panel, they created and downloaded database backups multiple times in 2023. So it's been going on for pretty much this whole year now, it looks like. And we're seeing that the admin logs show that the account of a trusted but currently inactive member of the forum admin team was used to access the web by MyBB admin console twice. So February 16th and February 21st of 2023. The account was used to create backups, which were then downloaded and deleted. It has also downloaded existing nightly full backups of the database. So it says the Kodi team has learned that the actual account owner did not perform these actions on the admin console, indicating that the staff members' credentials were likely stolen. So they got a tip. And it says that the stolen database contains all public forum posts, staff forum posts, private messages sent between users, and forum member data. Yeah, so that's the big thing, the forum member data, right? Usernames, emails, and passwords. And I guess their concern is that, if you're someone that, uses maybe your real information, your real name, first and last name, like even on YouTube, there's a lot of people with their full, name. And, all right, if it's like a really common last name and a very common first name, you might not be at risk of having your identity, discovered or stolen or whatnot. But it's the internet. I think that we all gotta keep our privacy. We gotta, for our own risk, we gotta kind of keep, our information low key. You don't want to have your full name on there. You shouldn't. It's YouTube, right? It's the internet. Nobody really needs to know who you are unless you're conducting a business. If you're like a PC technician or some, I guess a content creator, then maybe you need to share that information because it's part of the business. You want people to know who you are, right? But otherwise, I think we shouldn't be giving so much information out. Again, it's the internet. It's going to stay on there. It's going to be all over the dark web, and good luck trying to get it off. So they're saying that they recommend that if you use the same credentials for other websites, usernames, passwords, they recommend that you change it, because now the hackers have information on you, or potentially have information on you, and they can use it to find out what other platforms you're active on. And like I said, the dangers of that is, let's say you have a username on the Kodi platform forum, but now you also use that for maybe your bank, maybe this is the same username. People use the same usernames because people are forgetful, right? So I recommend, you should kind of use some kind of password protector or generator. This way you can kind of have different passwords and usernames for everything, but yet you don't forget. It stores everything. Yeah, you might have to pay, a small fee. There's a lot of free ones. I don't trust them that much. But either way, like, that's my recommendation. That's one way we can prevent like stuff like this from happening. Of course, it is what it is. Who would really think anyone would care about hacking a Kodi platform, forum? But people are desperate, and there's a lot of people on there, right? There's a lot of people looking to get free content. They're giving out their information. They feel like, it's a good way to get in and get what they need, sell that information online and make a quick buck. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I think they're basically they already made a new forum now, and they're gonna, of course, do the necessary things to try to prevent it. It says they're calling professional auditors who have volunteered to donate some time and expertise to help with this cybersecurity project. So they're trying to make it a lot more strict now. It's going to be harder for people to do this, I guess. That's their end goal. So we'll see. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for listening. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description below. And as always, until next time, bye for now.